Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to start programs or applications automatically when Windows 10 is start. By using this method, you can add any program to start up and start automatically. Example as Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, or CorelDRAW, or any other program that you want. You can add this program and this program is automatically start when your Windows is start. So let's go to our process. First, go to the start and find your program that you want. I want to add VLC Media Player on my Windows 10 startup. So I go to the VLC Media Player. I right click on the VLC Media Player or type VLC Media Player. I type VLC Media Player. Right click on VLC Media Player. Click on Open File Location. Click on Open File Location. If you find shortcut, then good. Right click on it, copy it, and go to your desktop. Right click on it and paste it. If you not find shortcut, if you find something like this, I go to the start, right click on it and go to the open file location. If you find this kind of VLC or the shortcut, right click on it, go to the here, create a shortcut. Okay, and create a shortcut on your desktop. Okay, now close it. I delete this second shortcut. Now I go to the start, type run, click on the run and type this command shell and startup. Type this command as it is. I give this command in the description also, YouTube description also. Copy and paste this command at here and click on open. Okay, and here we find program and startup. Startup is our folder. Now add this shortcut to the here. Right click on it, copy it, paste it, or just drag and drop it at here, and this program is added in the startup. Now close it. Right, go to the start, power button, restart our machine. Now our machine is restarting. Add your password. Wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, our startup programs are started. Now we can see our VLC media is automatically start or open in our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to start a program automatically in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.